Hi everybody, David, your contractor. So today, that's the pump truck, which had to reach from there all the way across to our new addition. So today we put in the footers, put in the rebar, getting everything ready for the new expansion walls. So these guys here, foot of the core, and the shrink box slab. So once this dries in about 7 days, we'll be able to do our strength test on it. Once that passes, then we can build our footer walls, which is about another 2 feet high. And then we'll give that 7 days, do that strength test. So these guys are cleaning up, wrapping everything up for today. The pump truck's all done, they're wrapping up. Very exciting to get to this point today. We had a little bit of rain, scared me a little bit, but we were able to do it. Thank you and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.